Hello, this video is for the per final project for MIS 5470. I'm Qun Wei. Um, I'm going to show some data modeling I did with Python. Um, Here I list a few cases with some sample data for case one, which is very simple regression model, and for case two, which is still a linear regression model, but it's a little bit different than case two. Case two, is the x, y, you know, uh, come across with the 0 point. Here, it's different. The case three is a little bit more complicated. So in Excel, we are very easy to, it's very easy to, find out the solution for case one, case two. What I'm trying to do here to see if I can find math, we can solve all of the problems here. So let me um, go back to the first problem, which is just a linear regression model. So here I show the some sample data for x, and here will be my value. So you can see there are some scattered dots on the plot. What I'm trying to do is see if I can find the coefficient, which is the w, and which gives me the minimum mean square error. And in Excel, basically you can do the trend line and give you the number, and also you can try to see if and give a different w value and then calculate the mean square error for y and to see which one is the minimum one. You can also easily do that. But here I'm going to show show a math we can apply with this approach, and then we can simply apply the math for a more later complicated problem. Here I show a gradient concept. Basically, if you can think about if you drop a ball here, it will roll down to a level which is the lowest level on this curve. So what I'm trying to do here is the minimum the mean square error, and if I can view the mean square error as my cost, here will be my cost function of as with the weight, and I can simply calculate the mean square error for each weight, and I also can calculate the gradient for each point on the curve. But finally, my gradient will be 0, and that's my final solution for the to 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 get the minimum cost. So if I go back to this equation, so my cost will be the mean square error, so you can easily get it calculated. The gradient will be the delta cost versus divided the delta uh, weight for each point, and you can simply figure out how to do that. Here I can see if I started this with point 1, and then I can simply try to see if I can move to point 2, and then compare the cost between 1 and 2, and to see if I can get the cost down, or I can uh, try to see if the cost is saturated. So I here apply a learning rate here and times the gradient. Then so the weight for point 2 will be calculated as here. I'm going to stop here because the free version only gives me 5 minutes. So I will see you in the next video.